This how to 1 minute will show you how to make Discord color text. To make color text in Discord, firstly add 3 backquotes and specify the code phrase which refers to the color applied to the text. For instance, arm is added for red color, YAML for dark green, JSON for light green, and CSS for blue. Beside this, each code phrase also requires any special characters at the start of the text. Lastly, close the text using another pair of 3 backquotes. So first of all, let's see how to make text blue color. I'm gonna give in here 3 backquotes and typing CSS, and I'm gonna giving a dot and typing my text. Again, giving here 3 backquotes and sending the text. As you can see, the text has been blue colored. And now let's see how to add red. To make your text red color, give 3 backquotes, type arm, type your text. So that's how you'll be able to make color text in Discord. If this video helped you, please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.